Hey folks, Jimmy Weller with Jimmy's Crash Course on this unique aluminum trailer. It's a 14-foot trailer. It's a single axle, but it has a heavy-duty axle. Heavy-duty being a 6-lug axle, which is a 5,000 pounds. So this trailer is going to hold about 3,800 pounds. Quite a lot for a single axle. It also has removable fenders and aluminum wheels, torsion suspension, nice smooth ride. And it's got that rock salt guard on the front. Protects it against bugs, rocks, salt, whatever your tires may be kicking up. It protects whatever you're hauling. It's got those recessed swivel D-rings, LED lights all the way around, rear stabilizers, one on each side. That's that little leg sticking up. But this trailer right here is a Slingshot trailer, the Polaris Slingshot, where it has 2 tires in the front, 1 in the rear. This trailer is designed specifically for that unit. It has 3 loading ramps, and these ramps fit right on the trailer. One of them goes right in the front behind that rock guard. You can kind of see in each corner there's a little lip or a catch there. It just slides into that. And then the other 2 go on each side of the fender in the front. So one would go right there. Fits in those stake pockets. It has pins that hold it in, so no tools are required, and one would go on the other side. So easy storage. And then since that unit has 3 tires, you don't have to worry about moving your ramps around. You drive on, and then since this is a tilt bed, as you start to go on, it will level back out. All aluminum, very light trailer, but heavy duty, and it has a 5-year warranty being made by Aluma. A super high quality trailer, a super flashy trailer, and a great functioning trailer. You can find this trailer at Weller's Utility Trailers in Bridgeville, Delaware, and you can find it online at wellers.com. We have financing available, and you can even get rent to own on this unit. So give us a call, 302-337-8228.